Bro!
Hey, at least in my mind, I'm feeling like I'm the hero that saves me. There, I hold my head high, get everything right, delusional maybe.
Yo, this whole last year was a shit show. Just finding out now what I didn't know. Seems like each time when I get low, I place blame everywhere that it shouldn't go. And that's what's keeping me up. Falling apart, man, I keep it a buck. You still act like I'm holding you up. I still feel like I'm totally nuts. So
Tell me what I should have said and not pretend to know that things come out my mouth that I should probably learn to hold back. Why do I expect to have the patience that I don't have? Over and over, expecting a different result, yeah. Hey, at least in my mind, I'm feeling like I'm the hero that saves me. There, I hold my head high, get everything right, delusional maybe. If I'm pretending, why not write happy endings where I'm better than we both know I could be? Oh, still, at least in my mind, I'm feeling like I'm the hero that saves me.
they're like, hey, Mike, you can't keep kicking yourself for the things you say. Like, there's some people that you could never make right. And really, do I want to switch it? No, I don't know, I don't let this go. Hold it inside, let it take control.
Tell me what I should have said and not pretend to know that things come out my mouth that I should probably learn to hold back. Why do I expect to have the patience that I don't have? Over and over and over and over and oh my God. Hey, at least in my mind, I'm feeling like I'm the hero that saves me.
Oh, yo, you power looped it?
No.
Oh, fuck. I stopped to look.
Oh. Oh, power lines.
Yeah.
I just power looped it though. The whole building. Oh, hey.
Oh, yo, I dived right into that shit too. I power looped it from the other side, and then next thing I see you, it's crazy. Today's nice because there's not a lot of wind.
Yeah, it's pretty still air. You also have to remember, DJI is usually like cruising for me, so getting used to flying DJI like at a Bando is weird. Because HD0 has 0 latency,
Yeah.
so
I
like,
can see how that affects you.
I'm like,
That's why I was affected by lowering my shit to 80%. It was flying different. I could imagine when we're going for like these days. Oh, I saw that.
bro, yo, I did a moon dive through the building.
Yeah, I saw that.
Let's fucking go. That was hype. That was a dope dive.
You got your O3 recording, right?
Of course. I stopped doing record on takeoff though.
What?
The automatic record on takeoff, because it made me lose a lot of footage. Because if you disarm to turtle mode,
Yeah,
it turns off the recording.
right.
And then when you turn turtle mode on, it starts recording and then stops recording. So if you do it, if you do it too quickly, you lose footage. So I just always, as soon as I take off, I've been just recording, and then landing, I stop it.
That was a good couple dives, though.
Dude, that was wild.
good here because you got gap, and like, you know, when you start learning, like your eyes make it seem like it's smaller than what it is.
Oh,
Like,
yeah.
watching it on the footage, you know. But like, you know,
That's one thing I need to get better at too, is the juicy flick.
oh yeah, go right in there. Come out through the ceiling, flip that bitch. Damn, you went far though.
Right? Hang time like crazy.
Hell yeah. But it's just like you went far shit to the back and all the way over there. You power looped the whole goddamn.
Oh, that was awesome.
Yeah. See, this building's fun, right? Why not?
We're right in the line of fire.
What do you mean?
When we come out of this building,
Oh yeah, you're gonna take a nice hit.
oh yeah.
Sure. You look like you're doing fine.
That was a hard hit.
Telemetry lost.
Definitely missed.
That was a hard hit. I came down and I hit the cross beam.
Yeah.
Oh no. Is it gonna reconnect? Oh, I probably ejected the battery.
Telling myself to stop caring, cause they live for keeping me staring. And they'll drag it on to make
Thank
me
you.
respond to get more retweets and more sharing. I don't need to manage no caring.
Yo, that was a hard hit.
Isn't
Isn't that what they say? Last pack, never see that? I don't know where it went. Hit that. Oh, found it. Whoa. CVs are smoking. We got fire, boy. We got fire.